happy Saturday. I hope you all are having a wonderful start to your weekend. So, I am really excited. As you can see from the title down below in the thumbnail, I have my first Stitch Fix, y'all. I can't wait to get in here and see what my stylist picked out for me. So, for those of you that do not know, Stitch Fix is a clothing styling service, and you pay $20 for your styling fee, but then if you choose to keep anything in your box, that $20 actually gets applied to your purchase, which I think is fantastic. But you can go in and you can literally tell them exactly kind of what you're interested in, what your body shape is. They actually have a pretty extensive profile, so I'm very curious to see what I got. This is my first one, so there may be some hiccups, but that's fine. I will put a link down below if you would like to sign up for Stitch Fix, and it actually will get you an additional $25 in credit. So that's super awesome. But I'm excited. I can't wait to see what is in here. So we're gonna get this bad boy open. And see what I got. So yeah, I decided to finally jump on the Stitch Fix train. Figured at least one time I'd give it a shot, see if I like it, and if I do, then maybe it is something I will continue. What I like about this too is it's not necessarily something every month. You go in and you actually request the styling. So if it's not something you're wanting to do every month, or if it's something you want to do every 2 weeks, that is completely up to you. They do include a mailer, so you can send back whatever you do not keep, and postage is paid. That's awesome. So let's, oh, hold on. It says what to do next. It's right here on the inside of the box. Discover and decide. Try on all 5 items that your personal stylist selected for you. And then it goes over that. Share your thoughts. So this is where you would like rate your items, confirm payment for what you're keeping, tell us what you're sending back, and then you send it back. It says simply place them in the enclosed prepaid shipping bag and drop it at any USPS mailbox or collection site within 3 business days. So is there a message on the side? Oh, thanks for letting us style you. All right. Oh, hello. Oh, I think this may tell us about what we got. Your style delivered. Oh, happy Fix Delivery Day, Nikki. Welcome to the Stitch Fix family. I'm excited to style your first fix as we welcome the crisp air, changing leaves, and fun fall fashions that are popping up in our inventory. I see you don't have any specific requests, so I filled your goodie box with stylish pieces to help revitalize your casual wardrobe. I noted that you preferred a bootcut silhouette, so I included a, okay, we're not gonna get into that. I read that you like comfy dresses. Worn alone, fashion sneaker could be layered with over a pair of leggings. All right, so then it does show like all of the items that you get, but it shows them with other accessories and different ways to style them, which is actually really awesome. Like it gives you like 2 different suggestions of how you could style the piece. So, what is, oh, our prepaid return label package. So everything is nicely tucked up in there. So let's see what I got. All right, so we have this first item. I'm gonna move this box to the floor. All right, what is this? What is this? Oh, this is like, okay, so this is a hooded, 6B ribbed hooded cardigan, Evolution by Cyrus. It's off-white. Hold on, because I think I have another Stitch Fix exclusive. And I do like that it has a hood here. Let's see. It's long. I'm not really in an area where I can like, oh, but I'm gonna tell you something right now. This is like so soft and comfy. I love that it has the hood, but you can see it does have that ribbed detail. And I actually like that the sleeves are kind of long. I really, and this like flips back over, I like this. And this is like the perfect weight for here in North Carolina where it doesn't get super, super cold. I really like this here, but I probably should take it off. Well, I don't know. I don't know that I'm going to be trying any of the other items on just because glancing at what they are. All right, so here, what are you? This is a hooded Henley roll tab knit top from Market and Spruce. I love this because this is almost like a hooded sweatshirt pullover because it does have a hood and then it has the pocket down here, you can see. And I love the color. It is so soft. I really like that, like a lot. I like that a lot. Okay, so I think we're 2 for 2, y'all. Let's see what else we've got. Oh, this feels cozy. What is this? What are you? It's hooded as well. What is this? Arnell or Andrew Mark Performance Arnell hooded sweater dress. What? So you can see it has the hood, but this is literally like a sweatshirt that continues down into being a dress. How awesome is that? How cozy is that? What? Could you imagine like just a long sweatshirt that's a dress? That's like life right there. Oh my gosh. All right. And then we have got this right here. Oh my goodness, this is so adorable. This is from Ava James, and this is a plaid V-neck pent-up tunic. Y'all, does this not like scream fall right here? This is so cute. I love the sleeves. They're like the Pentuck sleeves. Oh my goodness, I love these colors. Oh. They did a good job, I know that. All right, and then we have one item left. This is the jeans, okay. Oh, and I can already tell that they are gonna be the type of jeans I love because they already feel super soft and super stretchy, which is a must. Vigoss Jagger Bootcut Luxe Stretch, made with super soft stretch denim, provides exceptional recovery, luxurious soft fabric that is super slimming, redefines your body shape, giving you that ultimate fit and comfort. So they are kind of a darker wash, which is what I like. Oh, and the knee there, they have some action, but they're a boot cut. You can kind of see. I really like these. They just have the normal butt. Yeah, I will definitely be trying these on because they literally, I can feel like the stretch and the comfort, like that's awesome. And I do love this like right here, and it has it more kind of up at the top, up by the zipper right here as well, that kind of distressed look. Y'all, I think they did an amazing job. I absolutely love all 5 pieces. Now, I mean, obviously I need to try the others on. This is super comfy. I love it. It's cozy. I love that it has a hood, but I'm going to tell you right now, if it fits correctly, that the Arnell hooded sweater dress that literally feels like a super soft, cozy sweatshirt, but it's a dress, I'm keeping it. I'm definitely probably gonna keep this. I'm loving that plaid shirt, these jeans. Y'all, this is just, I think they did an amazing job. I'm so excited. So let me know what you think down below. What item do you think will look the best? What item was your favorite from my first Stitch Fix? So, just getting caught on my hair. But anyway, I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Again, if I did not say it earlier, don't forget we do have active giveaways linked down below, as well as a link to Stitch Fix. Like I said, if you have not signed up, it will get you an additional $25 credit, so that is fantastic. I think they did a fabulous job. I mean, I'm loving it. So have a fantastic day, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.